that.
Anyone else? Okay. Well, then without further ado, please watch this video on inappropriate sexual behavior in the workplace.
It's too late for you.
Oh my. Okay.
No.
Well.
No, don't!
That is my boy.
I just ate. That's what I'm talking about.
Is that how people really kiss now?
I can't have
think
this
we've seen enough.
ASMR.
Why would anybody be
ASMR
attracted to
crop
Jonah?
on you.
He looks like a villain on the CW.
Maybe it's because she thought all of his brilliant ideas were inside his mouth, so she had to like get in there with her tongue and suck them out.
You will spread your legs for anyone who'll write a story about you, won't you?
That
Jonah,
has nothing to do.
there's about 50 store rules broken on that tape. It is disgusting. There's just one thing left to say. You're safe now. Bring it in. Don't you? You've been sexually assaulted. I was hoping you could start to heal by admitting that here in a safe place, but you're obviously very ashamed.
No,
You didn't do anything wrong.
I wasn't assaulted. It wasn't an assault. It was
See?
both of us wanted.
That's what happens.
No, it
the
was-
person thinks it's their fault.
It's called slut shaming.
No, he's a victim. You're the only slut in here, Sandra.
Maybe we should all just stop talking about this.
Or we could play it again and then do the voices of the
Great.
No?
Sorry.
I just realized that since I'm recording my OBS and I'm watching, it's gonna be recording him snoring and whatever I'm watching.
So I'll give Jonah a round of applause, everybody.
I just realized that. Let's just do a quick tip.
It's so loud. It's like louder than you talking.
Hi, how you doing?
Jacob!
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 We woke him up. I don't think he doesn't sleep with his headphones on, so we're gonna be able to wake him up.
No, that's not. Bravo! Just kidding.
Sorry about the rape, dude.
I'm gonna kick.
I guess my philosophy of life is dare to dream, but also dream to dare. But also daring to not.
Okay, so the article that I'm writing is about the store in general and not any one individual.
Oh. Okay. Well, if you do decide to write an article about me, I'll be in the staff room waiting. I'm willing to do whatever it
The sound changed.
You are a journalist and a rapist, and those are the two worst things any person can be. Now listen up, Connie Chung. If you set foot in this store ever again, I will bring hell down on you.
Hey, thank you so much for coming today.
Oh, you're welcome.
You know, you never actually got a picture of me.
Oh, darn.
But I'm free now. Are people still saying cheese? 'Cause I don't want to.
You know, I wish I could, but this camera only holds 5 million photos.
Oh.
Thanks, though.
Hold up. You haven't gotten a picture of me yet.
Oh,
Why don't we get one with my boy Glenn?
yeah. Terrific.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. All right.
Hey, reporter, will you listen to a song for the jingle contest?
I'd love to. It's where I went to journalism school.
Scary. should I record? Should I record for only 5 minutes? There's 5 minutes, good.
Yeah. I'm gonna message him on Kick.
Hey, Mr. What?
I'm gonna message him on Kick.
Oh my
Maybe
god.
the notification sound. He stops.
What happened? Does it? It doesn't go through, does it? Oh, it does go. It should go through if he gets a. What's this? Is this thing still very nervous or something?
I think so.
Let's see.
I'm like making a new Kick right now because I like deleted mine.
How do you delete a Kick? You're retarded.
Or I like stopped. I'm inactive on it. I don't even remember the password. I just tried to log in and I couldn't.
God damn it, Mackenzie! Say something. You're fucking scaring me. Nervous, very nervous, Jay. I'm gonna send him a heart. I'm gonna send him a cool.
I want to make no.
Jay. I think he probably doesn't have Kick on his phone anymore because it's sending, not sending, so that means that they don't have Kick.
It'll say like, oh, this person's phone isn't connected to Kick right now.
Say something. What's going on? Jacob.
Yeah.
Oh god. Even. Oh, I can't wait to upload this video.
Why?
You started snoring, so I just turned on my recorder.
I don't.
What?
You said you've never heard yourself snore. You sound like a monster.
I don't know why. I was awake that whole time.
What? No, you
Yeah.
weren't. Okay. What was that noise? Was it your parents' TV? Your family's TV?
I don't know. I don't know how. I was awake for like that whole time.
Oh yeah. Okay.
You sure?
Are
I
you sure,
think.
Jacob? Are you sure, Jacob? Are you positive?
I think.
Are you positive?
Mm-hmm.
You should have been here. Lauren was talking mad shit about you. She said if she ever sees you near her school, she'll like get her Asian friends to like jump you.
I don't. I only have one Asian friend.
Her friends. What? What do you mean you only have one Asian friends?
Here at Berkeley. I only have one Asian friend here at Berkeley.
Oh,
And
okay.
I only have one Asian friend at home. I don't like flock to
What
Asians.
about Josh? Aaron? Isn't Aaron like Asian?
Yeah, I just said I have one Asian friend here at Berkeley.
What's that one girl?
One Asian friend.
What about that one girl that's in your fucking picture?
Black,
Asian?
white.
Sure. Okay. No, not that.
German.
Not that girl. The other girl.
What?
There's another Asian girl.
No, there isn't.
Yes, there is. What?
No, there isn't.
What? There's so one.
I barely even talk to girls.
Okay. Yeah. I don't understand what's women. I don't get along with other girls. Oh my god.
I thought girls like talk to other girls all the time.
No.
Bedtime.
Bedtime. You heard that? It's bedtime.
Jacob, do you still use Kick?
What?
Do you still use Kick?
No.
Exactly. So that's why they didn't go through you.
No, but it would say like, oh, like this person's phone is disconnected from Kick at the moment. Like they'll get it when they reconnect.
Yeah, but that's all.
That's what happens when
I
people
probably
like-
have it, but I just don't use it anymore.
Oh, okay.
I'm hanging up. I'm hanging up.
Okay. Good night.
Night. Love you.
He's still on the phone. I think he knows that he's not here. He's still in here.
He's on to us. Oh, he left. He already. Mackenzie. Mackenzie. I'm gonna adopt the dog, and then I'm gonna like kill it. I'm gonna video record it, and then I'm gonna send you the video.
Cloud9, come inside. Let the savings rain down on you.
That's actually surprisingly not terrible.
Really? Oh my God, Bo, she loves it.
I'm psyched.
Yeah, it's good. It's a catchy tune.
Catchy? Thanks.
You know what? Forget about it. Bo is the man that I love, and I won't watch him give up who he is, even if it means losing millions of dollars.
Millions of dollars.
Yeah, you can keep your stupid money.
Okay, just to be clear, the prize is a $10 Cloud9 gift card.
When you heard her? Don't be trying to suck us back in with your fancy-ass lawyer words. Here's what I think about that contract right here. Oh! Rip, double rip.
Not a contract, that was the directions to my hotel.
Whatever, Illuminati. Fuck.
Oh shit, I should stop recording. You're gonna see like